Hi, I'm Shari Tomac, and I'm the owner of the agency. I just wanted to send you a quick video and explain really fast a few short things about auto insurance. The things that you have to have in the state of Indiana are very basic. You have to have coverage for other people's medical bills. If you hurt someone in an accident, you have to carry insurance, or you have to be independently wealthy enough to pay for someone else's medical bills. Most of us are not, so therefore we have an insurance company that pays for someone else's medical bills if we hurt someone in an accident. Okay? The other thing is, if you hurt someone's stuff, we also have to be liable for that. So you hear people say PLPD. That means that you're liable for their bodily injury and you're liable for their stuff, like their car, if you run over their mailbox, if you run over their dog, if you run over their bicycle or run into someone's house or a store or whatever, your car doesn't stop and you run over of someone else's, your insurance company needs to repair that for that person. All right, so that is the basic minimums. In the state of Indiana, all you need to have is $25,000 per person and $50,000 per total accident. So if there's 15 people in a school bus, $50,000 is all you have to have. But do you seriously think that if you hit a school bus full of kids, there's only going to be $50,000 of medical bills? Probably not. Depends on how bad you hurt that school bus, right? If you just bump it, then we're probably good. But if that school bus is on fire, you're going to have a lot of kids with a lot of ambulance and life support and things going on. That's way over 50,000. So most of your online companies, most of your agents who don't care, agents that are just out to write a quick policy, are not going to ask you a whole lot of questions. They're just going to say, oh, do you want the basic minimum? And you're going to go, well, yeah, because I don't want to pay a whole bunch of premium to the insurance company. And that's what they're going to give you. Problem is that $25,000 doesn't go very far in today's hospitals. So we don't like to sell that at my agency. If you're watching this video, it's because you've called in or somebody has talked to you and you want more explanation about your auto insurance. That means that one of my staff has said, hey, we need to send you this video to explain why we didn't put you in 2550, which is state minimum. We don't like to do that. We want you to have at least 50,000. Most people need 100,000 and above. So that's a whole different story. That'd be a whole different video. So that's your basic stuff. Liability for other people. All right. That has nothing to do with your car. The second part of auto insurance is, do you want us to repair your car? Do you want us as the insurance company to help you with the damage after a deductible to repair your car? There's two kinds of that. There's comprehensive damage, meaning everything that happens when your car is parked or sitting still. So hail, tornadoes, fire, a deer running out in front of your car, even if your car is moving. In the state of Indiana, we consider a deer hitting you instead of you hitting it. So that's comprehensive. We call that other than collision. Collision damage is the second kind, and that is anything that you run into, run over, obliterate while you're driving. If the car is moving and you're behind the wheel, that's a collision. So you can do deductibles of $100 to $1,000, sometimes even higher. If your car is worth $30,000, maybe you want to have a $1,000 deductible or a $1,500 deductible. If your car is worth $1,000, you probably don't even want to cover it, or you would want a $100 deductible, right? Because there isn't a whole lot after that to pay for the insurance company. So you got to kind of think about those things. And I guess that's what my agency is good at, is talking you through that. We'll ask you the right questions. We'll help you get the right coverage. Then after that, after we've taken care of other people, we've taken care of our car, then there's the added extras, like, do I need a rental car if my car is in the shop for 3 or 4 days, getting repainted and getting the body fixed? Do I need a rental car to get to work? Can I ride with my mom or my sister? Can my neighbor take me? Can my husband take me? Do I work from home? I don't need a car. Those are all questions that are different answers for different people. Maybe you have 3 or 4 cars, so you could just drive a different one. You wouldn't need to have rental car coverage. Why pay for something you don't need? So that's a good question. Roadside service. Do you need towing? Do you care if you pay for a $50 tow bill? Will you ever use it? No one knows. Do you want to have the kind of roadside service that pumps your tire for you, or changes the tire for you, or brings you 5 gallons of gas? What kind of roadside service do you want? So there's Cadillac, and then there's basic, or there's none at all. Those are all put on your policy if you want them. They are not automatically there. They will cost you extra money to have them. So hopefully this quick video taught you a little bit more about auto insurance. And if you have more questions, always call us at the agency. Thank you.